Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to block domain in Yahoo Mail. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So to block any kind of domain in Yahoo Mail, all you need to do is first open your Yahoo Mail app and then tap on the settings option. After you do this, tap on more settings, and once you do this, in the left hand side of the corner you can find the security and privacy option. So simply tap on the security and privacy option, which is right beside the filter section. After you tap on it, you can see the block unwanted sender domains. So you need to simply type in the domain name and hit the save button. However, you need to first of all subscribe to Yahoo Mail Plus to enjoy this kind of feature in your Yahoo Mail. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.